You may feel down and feel like God has somehow forgotten that you are faced with circumstances you can get through. No, 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 no. Right now it seems there's no way out. You're going under. But God's proven time and time again, He'll take care of you, and He'll do it again for you. He'll do it again. Oh, just take a look at where you